Mom, is everything okay?
It's nothing, Emma. I just thought I heard something outside. Go back to your room. I'll be there in a moment.
This week started as a normal week until my mom began acting like someone else. She stopped talking normally. She started whispering. She kept watching people outside. And then I found her secret room. There were cameras, maps, disguises, and in that moment, I thought my mom was a criminal.
Okay, let me explain. My mom has always been normal, like very normal. She wakes up early, makes coffee, forgets where she put her keys every single day. That kind of normal. But this week, something changed. It started on Monday. I was in the kitchen, just eating cereal, when I heard her on the phone.
No, not now. It's not safe.
Not safe? I froze because my mom doesn't whisper, ever. She talks loud, like the whole house can hear you loud. But not that day.
On Tuesday, something else happened. She picked me up from school, but she didn't go the normal way home. She kept turning left, right, then another right. I thought, okay, maybe she's just lost. But she wasn't. She kept checking the mirror again and again, like someone was following us. And then Wednesday happened. I walked into the living room and I saw her. She was standing by the window, just looking outside, but not normal looking. She moved the curtain just a little and kept watching the same house, our neighbor's house. She didn't even notice me. And at that point, I had two options. One, ignore it and pretend everything is fine. Or two, accept the truth. My mom was officially losing it. But I was wrong, because the next day, I was just looking for my charger. You know, the one that disappears every single time you need it. So I checked my room, then the living room, then my mom's room. I wasn't really supposed to be there, but I went in anyway. That's when I noticed something strange. The closet door was slightly open. My mom always keeps it closed. And there was a light inside. So I opened it. But it wasn't a closet. It was a door. A hidden door. I stepped inside, and everything changed. There were screens, big screens, showing camera footage. There were maps with lines and marks and circles. There were fake IDs and disguises. My heart started beating fast because suddenly everything made sense. The whispering, the strange routes, watching the neighbors. My mom wasn't acting weird. She was hiding something. And in that moment, I came to one conclusion. My mom was a criminal. I didn't know what to do. Should I call someone? Should I ask her? Should I pretend I didn't see anything? No, I needed proof. So I made a decision. I was going to watch her, follow her, and find out what she was really hiding. So I made a plan. I was going to spy on her. First, I needed to look like a spy. So I wore a black hoodie and sunglasses. Inside the house. Yeah, I know. I followed her into the kitchen, trying to be invisible. But then I hit a spoon and it fell on the floor. Emma? Yeah. I just really like spoons. Okay, that didn't work. I needed a better strategy. So later, I followed her outside. She was walking, and I stayed behind her. Very close behind her. Too close. Emma? Why are you walking like that? I'm exercising behind you? Okay, new plan. I would hide. She went into the living room, and I hid behind the curtain. Perfect. Except my legs were still visible. Emma, why are your feet sticking out? I dropped something. That night, I couldn't sleep. I kept thinking about that room. The screens, the maps, the disguises, and my mom. And then I heard something. A door opening. I sat up and looked at the clock. 2:17 a.m. She wasn't supposed to be awake. So I got up and followed her. The house was completely dark. Only a little light from the hallway. I walked slowly, step by step, trying not to make a sound. And then I saw her. She wasn't wearing her normal clothes, all black, like a completely different person. That's when I knew this was real. She stepped outside, I followed.
I have to follow her.
The street was empty. My heart was beating so fast. She walked to the corner and stopped. Someone was there. A man standing in the shadows.
They know you're here. We have to move now.
How?
They started talking. I couldn't hear everything,
I told you.
but I heard one word.
Tonight.
Tonight.
Tonight? What happens tonight?
And that's when it hit me. This wasn't just strange. This was dangerous. I didn't know what they were planning, but I knew one thing. I had to see what happens next.
I'm not ready. But I have to do this.
And then the man started looking around like he was checking if someone was watching. My heart dropped. I stayed hidden, watching them. My hands were shaking. And suddenly, I heard sirens. Wait, what? Out of nowhere, cars rushed into the street. Lights flashing, people shouting, police everywhere. And then, my mom stepped forward. She looked completely different. Calm, serious, in control.
Police! Don't move!
And in that second, everything changed.
She's a police officer?
My mom wasn't a criminal. She was a police officer. All the whispering, all the strange routes. She wasn't hiding from something. She was working. They arrested the man.
Okay, I'm complying.
He didn't even try to run. It was over, just like that.
And then he just vanished.
And then she looked at me. Our eyes met, and I knew. She knew I was there. A few minutes later, she walked toward me. No smile, no jokes, just serious. You weren't supposed to see that. Well, maybe I wouldn't have if you didn't make me think something was completely wrong.
Emma.
No, you were whispering. You were watching people through the window. You were acting strange all week. I found that room. The screens, the maps, the disguises. What was I supposed to think?
That I had a reason.
A reason? Mom, I thought you were dangerous.
I know. You know? The second I saw your face, I knew exactly what you believed.
I thought you were
A criminal?
Yeah,
Oh, Emma.
I didn't want to believe it, okay? I kept telling myself maybe I was wrong. Maybe there was another explanation. But every day you got stranger. And every time I saw you, you looked like someone I didn't know. I was trying to protect you.
By lying to me? By keeping you safe? You could have told me something. No, I couldn't. Why not? Because the less you knew, the safer you were. But I'm your daughter. Exactly. So that's it? You just disappear into this whole other life, and I'm supposed to act like that's normal? It was never normal.
Then why did you act like everything was normal?
Because I wanted you to have a normal life, even if I couldn't.
All this time?
I was doing my job.
So what happens now?
You go home. I finish this. Then I come back to you.
You promise?
I promise.